Hello everyone, Satkeval Sahib. I, Prashant Chauhan. I work in Paramguru Pathshala, English Medium School, Sarsa. Today I will continue chapter 1st of Elements of Accountancy, Standard 12. Topics will be covered in this presentation are capital accounts, fluctuating and fixed, and also difference between their two accounts. Let's start with the capital account. A capital account of each partner is prepared in the books of partnership firm to record the individual transaction done by the partner with the partnership firm. So here each partner's capital account is prepared jointly, right? And all the yearly transactions, whatever individually they have done, it will be recorded here. An initial capital introduced by the partner, and also throughout the year if any addition is there in the capital of the partner, that all are recorded at the credit side of the capital account. So when partner brings capital means when he introduced the capital, and within the 1 year, throughout the 1 year, in between the year, if capital is added, then it will be recorded on credit side of capital account. Also, when the transactions will reduce the capital, then it will be recorded on the debit side of the capital account. So when partner withdraws any type of the money, that is cash, asset or any goods throughout the year, that time capital will reduce and recorded on the debit side of partner's capital account. So basic information about capital accounts. Now moving towards the another thing, that is methods. There are two methods to maintain capital accounts in the books of partnership firm: fluctuating capital account method and fixed capital account method. Under fluctuating capital account method, the opening balance of the capital account and the closing balance of the capital account of any partner is reported fluctuated. That means flexible. Balance is flexible. That's why it is known as fluctuating or temporary capital account method. One more question is there: what is the other name of fluctuating capital account method? Other name is temporary capital account method. Flexible. Under this method, only one account is prepared to record all the transactions related to the partners, that is only capital account. That's the first method. Second method, fixed capital account method. A method of partners capital account under which no change is reported in opening balance and closing balance in partners capital account. That means one simple thing, no change in balances are there under fixed capital method in the capital account. So under this method, to record all the transactions of the partners with the partnership firm has to prepare two accounts, that is partners capital account and partners current account. Right? It's a very simple thing, but keep in mind there are two methods, fluctuating, fixed, and also under fixed they have to prepare two accounts, that is capital and current. Let's start with the format of fluctuating capital account method. Starting with the credit side, by balance brought down, that is opening credit balance of capital account. See, there is an asterisk sign, so that means either credit side or see the debit side to balance brought down, that is opening a debit balance of capital account. Means balance brought down can be either debit balance or credit balance. In most of the cases it is on the credit side, right? Next point on the credit side, by balance brought down, then after by cash, by bank or any other asset. That means addition of capital by partner throughout the year. Third one, by interest on capital account. When partner invests capital in the firm has to give interest on that one. It is not compulsory as per the particular partnership bid, and it is mentioned, then it will be recorded. So interest on capital. Then common things are there: salary, bonus, commission, and remuneration. All these 4 points are already covered. Next point, that is with 2 asterisk signs, by profit and loss appropriation account, that is divisible loss. So when this particular loss is there, sorry, profit, by divisible profit. So by profit and loss appropriation account, divisible profit is there on the credit side, and if profit is there, so loss will not be there on the debit side. And if the loss is there on the debit side, no profit on the credit side. So there can be either divisible loss or divisible profit. Next point, last entry remain, debit side, second entry to drawing account. That means when partner withdraws capital, right? That means through the capital, cash through the bank or maybe any asset or goods, then the particular drawing is done, that is withdrawal. And interest on drawing is also recorded, so to interest on drawing account. We already discussed the appropriation, divisible loss. Now the last 2 entries on the both side, that is balance carry forward, can be either debit balance or credit balance, right? So simply, if there is a credit balance in the capital account, it would be appear in the liability side, that is the liability of the firm, and if the balance, that is debit balance, it will appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. So this is a specimen for the fluctuating capital method. Same particular format is there for the partner's current account. We will discuss at that time, but starting with the another point, that is fixed capital account method. We have to prepare partner's capital account like this, right? Starting with balance brought down, opening credit balance, another entry, only 2 entries are there on the credit side, by cash, bank or any other asset, that is additional capital, right? When partner brings addition in the capital or maybe any goods or any asset, then it will be recorded on the credit side. That already discussed in the last partner's capital account. Debit side, when partner withdraws the money, that is cash, bank or any other asset. That's all. From this particular, only 2 entries are there, and like that credit balance is there, it is transferred to balance sheet liability side, right? No any debit balance is there in this type of the method. Under fixed capital account method, second account there will be prepared by the partnership firm, that is partner's current account. See, no changes are there here in a particular thing. Only 2 things will be added here in the partner's current account, that is interest on credit balance of current account and interest on debit balance of current account. Then all the things are same as partner's capital account. See the entry number fourth, yes, by interest on credit balance of current account, if the partner's credit balance is there, he will maybe get the benefit of that one, and partnership firm will give. And if the particular debit balance is there of the current account, then interest will be there. So only 2 entries are there, entry number 4 on credit side and entry number 3 on the debit side. But everything is same, right? Balance will be carried forward, same as the partner's capital account. No changes are there. Divisible profit is there or divisible loss, right? Closing balance, debit or credit balance. Keep in mind, there will be a closing balance of the particular partner's current account, debit side or credit side. That means the debit balance or credit balance is there. Clear? That's the simple about this partner's capital and current account of the and under the fixed capital account method. But keep in mind, when the particular partnership firm is started, at that time maybe the particular partners will decide which method they will use. But when current accounts of the partners are not given in the question, this is a practical exam, practical sums, and no specification is given to you pertaining to the capital account. In this case, the capital accounts are maintained under fluctuating capital account method. Now our next point, that is difference between fixed and fluctuating capital account method. The left hand side, that is fixed, the right hand side, that is the fluctuating. Let's start with the meaning. Where the opening balance and the closing balance of the partner's capital accounts are reported unchanged is known as fixed capital account method. That means here the balances will not be changed, it will be unchanged, then it will be known as fixed capital account. Fluctuating, where the opening balance and the closing balance of the partner's capital account is reported flexible, that means it will increase or decrease, is known as fluctuating or temporary capital account method. So meaning easily you can understand unchanged capital and flexible capital. Next one, accounts. In fixed capital account method, partners with the firm, they have to prepare or open two accounts, that is capital account and current account. Whereas in the fluctuating capital method, all the transactions of the partners with the firm, only capital account is open in the book of the firm. So accounts will be prepared in fixed capital and current, in fluctuating only capital. Formats are same, right? Treatments of transactions. In fixed, in capital, see there are two accounts in fixed, capital and current. So in capital account, capital and changes in the capital are recorded, that means addition or particularly withdrawal, where transactions other than permanent capital will be recorded under the particular current account. So that are the accounting treatment. Whereas in fluctuating, all the transactions are recorded under the particular capital account. Next one, interest on capital, fourth one. Generally the amount of capital remains unchanged because we are following the fixed capital account method. So therefore interest on capital remains constant, no changes will be there. Whereas in fluctuating, amount of capital keeps on changing, every year it is increasing or decreasing, that is flexible. So consequently interest on capital also keeps on changing. So keep in mind unchanged interest on capital in fixed and changing in the fluctuating. Fifth one, balance of accounts. Balance of fixed capital account is always a credit balance. One more question is there. Balance of fixed capital account is always a credit balance, while current account can have be a maybe debit or credit balance. For the fluctuating, generally balance of capital accounts is a credit balance. Most of the cases credit balance is there, that's why as a particular asterisk sign is there, but there is exception. Under this method sometimes there can be debit balance of capital account, not possible but sometimes. Last one, treatment in balance sheet. Since fixed capital has credit balance, it will be shown at the capital liability side of the balance sheet if it has a credit balance, and if current account is there, then it has a credit balance, then it's shown on the capital liability side, and if it has a debit balance, then asset side. Keep in mind, if current account has credit balance, then it is liability, so all the credit balances are always under the liability side, and if debit balance is there, then it will be under asset side. For the fluctuating, if capital account has a credit balance same as the fixed capital account method, on the liability side there is capital liability heading, and debit balance is there, then it is coming under the asset side. So this is the particular information about fixed and fluctuating differences. One another account is there after particular capital accounts, drawing account, but as per the particular syllabus, drawing account is not there in our syllabus, only drawings are there. But if drawings are there, right, so when partner withdraws the money, the entries must be given for that one. And you know that when partner withdraw cash, goods or any assets from the partnership firm for his personal use, then it will become drawings of the partner. And keep in mind the general entry for that one, partner capitals or currents, that is partner's capital or current account will be debited to partner's drawing account, right? That is the information about the drawing account too. That's the end of the particular presentation. In next presentation we will discuss about the profit and loss appropriation account. Thank you very much.